Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you guys why is your beammp crashing while you're loading into a server that has mods in it. The first reason that could happen is you still have mods in your server. So disabling them doesn't work. So you have to like delete them, or you could move them into another folder. So the repository folder or any other than the multiplayer folder has to move or be deleted. The second reason why your beammp is crashing, there could be a mod that is breaking the game. And the third reason, why your beammp is crashing is maybe because your file, no, the third the third reason why your PC no the third reason why your beammp is crashing is maybe your hard drive or RAM is full. Because if you have like very many, a ton of games of it, why your mm, there's a ton of games that can fill up the RAM. So yeah, you just have to delete them or move them into another, or here, a RAM or hard drive. But why do I need to have space if I already have downloaded them? Well, it will move into another resources, and and the next time you join on the same server, it will copy all of the mod into the multiplayer folder at the mods. So yeah, I hope this video helped, and yeah, goodbye.